Today we are going to look at the risk factors in debt funds and also how to overcome them. Industry expert Mr. Gururaj will explain this to you.
Please understand this. There is a interest rate risk in debt fund. Sometimes you will also have a default risk. We have seen that in 2018-20, some of the companies defaulted. There was huge hue and cry, right? Some mutual funds had to close down their scheme. All that we have seen it, right? All this will happen. Let's be clear about it. Don't think that it will never happen in future. No, some other incident, again you will face the same problem. That's where we say was diversify your money. Even in mutual funds, also try to put your money in 3, 4 mutual funds at least. Don't put all your money in one mutual fund because if something goes wrong, then you are stuck, right? So that's where the next level is you have to diversify among the mutual funds also. Debt funds have all this risk. See, the point here is that's where I said your ability to take risk is very, very important in this kind of situation. For example, when a market correction is there, equity fund, I should not withdraw the money. I should be in a position to hold my invest. Whether you are investing fresh money, if you have that, great, right? But otherwise, at least you should have that patience to hold on. Very, very important. You can't say, no, no, boss, I need this money urgently. Many people will say that, right? When an advisor comes and asks you why you are withdrawing at a loss, they will come and say, no, no, I need this money urgently. Honestly, that may not be the reason. The reason could be that he's afraid that he may lose more. So if you make that mistake, then boss, you will never make money. The biggest challenge will come to you when markets are down. How you handle that situation is what will give you return. But let's be very clear about how you handle your money in a negative situation is what will help you to make money actually. That is a thing which you have to keep in mind.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.